Do you want more visibility on Facebook? Let's explore Facebook's algorithm. Understanding it can boost your content's reach. Ready to turn the algorithm into your ally? Facebook prioritizes content based on user engagement. It uses likes, comments, shares, and time spent on posts. The more engagement your post gets, the more it will be shown. So how do you gain that engagement? First, post consistently. Regular posts keep your followers engaged. Create a posting schedule and stick to it. Aim for 3-5 posts weekly. Next, focus on quality content. Create valuable, informative posts for your audience. Posts with high-quality images and videos get more engagement. Use eye-catching headlines to draw attention to your posts. Then, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Build a community by asking questions. The more interaction with your audience, the better your content will perform. Utilize Facebook Stories. Stories appear at the top of the feed and are time-sensitive. They encourage quick engagement and can lead to higher visibility. Share behind-the-scenes content or quick updates. Experiment with Facebook Lives. Live videos receive 6 times more engagement than regular videos. Use them to host Q&A, sessions, or product launches. This humanizes your brand and builds a connection. Monitor analytics to understand what works. Facebook Insights shows which posts perform best. Use this data to refine your strategy over time. Finally, collaborate with others. Partner with influencers or brands. Cross-promotions expose you to new audiences, enhancing engagement. For example, a local bakery could partner with a coffee shop. They could showcase a coffee and pastry pairing. This content engages both audiences and grows followers. In summary, consistency, quality, engagement, and analytics are vital. Leverage Facebook Stories and live videos to boost your visibility. Collaborate with others to expand your reach. Start implementing these tips today. Transform Facebook's algorithm into your marketing ally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.